Welcome back to Primetime News. Special welcome to the folks watching on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, concerns about so-called nursing or golden age homes mushrooming across the country without the necessary approval. This follows a case involving a Portmore woman who was not receiving the care her family thought was being paid for at one of these facilities. We warn that the images you are about to see are highly disturbing and may cause discomfort to some of our viewers. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson now joins us live on set for this Primetime News exclusive. Now, Dwayne, what did you find out?
Thanks, Archie. So, again, just to warn our viewers that the pictures we are about to show you are disturbing or could be disturbing to some of our viewers. They involve 58-year-old Phelan Palmer Rainford, who got sick and was placed in a nursing home in Cumberland, St. Catherine. She has multiple ailments ranging from Parkinson's disease, heart problems, and strokes. Now, fast forward to February 9 this year, one of the daughters, Tamoya, went to visit her mother and made a heart-wrenching discovery. Now, this picture shows maggots in her mouth. The find has no doubt left the family angry.
I went there to take feeding for her, only to discover that she was swollen in the face. So I said to the nurse, what happened to her? She said, nothing. I said, yeah, she's swollen. She said, maybe because I brush her teeth. So I said, no, man, something wrong. So in my thoughts, I think that they might have hit her while the mouth was swollen on the face. When I opened my mother's mouth, only to see worm, which is maggot, full in my mother's top lip. I then ran out the room and cried out, Jesus, take her now. I'm going to tell you, I can't look after our mates because just the image. At times when I try to sleep, I'm not seeing all of that replaying. I've cried enough that right now I'm talking, there's no tears.
Now, the family said they paid the operator $40,000 per month for their services. They are demanding a refund for poor service. When we went to the home today, the caregivers locked themselves away, unwilling to speak with me. I eventually reached the operator of the home by phone. She insists the woman was attended frequently, including the day her family made the discovery. She said the woman would oftentimes bite the hands of attendants when they tried to open her mouth. Despite this, though, she insists the woman's mouth was kept clean and theorized the worms may have come from inside her stomach or throat due to the extent of her ailments. Both of these points were challenged by the family. They say the mother's stroke made opening her mouth difficult. Therefore, a trained person would be able to negotiate this particular issue. Furthermore, the family said they have had no medical explanation from any doctor, which points to maggots being in her mother's mouth or stomach. So, subsequently, for them to climb into the mouth. Now, as for the operator, she said she fired the attendants who were on duty on February 9. Now, she also admitted that her paperwork to operate is not complete, but said she was in the process of getting the home registered. Now, on this particular issue, I got in touch with the municipal authorities and spoke with the councillor for the Westchester division of the Portmore Municipal Corporation, in which the home is operated.
This is very alarming and disturbing because even at minimum standard, this should not have happened. Even if someone would have entrusted the care of an elderly person to someone else. And from the premises that I've seen and what I gathered taking place there, it's clear neglect, even at a minimum standard. Even for registration purpose. Maybe it would not have to be registered here for the operation of a business, or whether the company officer or Ministry of Health will regulate these type of own. But as for a commercial activity at that premises, no such change of use permit was issued from this council, to the best of my knowledge, for that premises.
Right. So that's part one of this gut-wrenching story. Tomorrow, we will bring you what the family and authorities say to persons who are seeking nursing homes for their loved ones, what in particular they should look out for. We will also have an update on Mrs. Palmer Rainford, who is alive, and in better and equally as important, a registered nursing home. Back to you, Archie.